there to crabbing. And look how big the tree is. And that's the parking that opens at 7 on Saturday, but I don't know what time do they open on other days. How cool is that? House under the mountain, the tree, the grass. Inside the parking lot, you actually have the bathroom right there for people to use. And lots of people, so we're gonna walk down all the way to the water where we get the crab at. So here are some directions that you can go. There are signs over there, and I will go down here all the way to the water over there. Lots of people come here with their dog and their family for the beautiful views. You can go up higher mountain right there. You get the more beautiful views. And going down is easy, but coming up will be a little bit challenge. You won't be lost over here because there are signs everywhere telling you like be careful or anything. So these people, they're coming back, but I'm going down so that I can get crab. And fishing, I do have fishing license. It's just so wonderful out here. It's so beautiful. This is gingerly, and gingerly looks so nice. I'm going down and I'm not even halfway yet. And it have like a little stair like this. And I'm from the parking over there. If you guys could see the car right there, those cars, I came from there. As I go by, I saw flint. Those are my people. They eat. Actually, I eat those too. It's really yummy. This one, I'm not sure it's edible or not, but they look yummy. And I'm not an outdoor person, obviously, because I wear white shoe over here. Hello. Hi. Oh, look, they have stair for you. See, stair. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then sand. This part of sand is yellow sand. Okay. Whew. Oh. And then looking back up is like this. See this yellow flower on the way down, and then this. as I get in closer. They kids are playing, fishermen are fishing. You come here, you could do a lot. There's a pool on the left right there, and kids are playing. But look at this. Oh, I'm old. Okay. Looking back, it's like this. Beautiful day in Sausalito, the other side of San Francisco, California. People come here to crab. I come here to look around. Lots of mountain, lots of hill, and I'm basically right there cooking my cup of noodle over there. I want to show you guys this. The hills have lots of water that are leaking. Where all this water come from, that I do not know. But I taste the water. I did not get sick. And then take a look over here. I've been here for an hour. The south that you got here is the south from ocean, but this south right here is from, what's this called? Is this called mountain water or waterfall? Will you call this waterfall? Hello, hi. That's just a hill and sky and the water right here. The water comes from here and down to here. Gorgeous water. Oh, you're so cute. And then the other side that you hear is Ocean South. People come here hiking with the dog, with the family, or you know, crabbing, fishing. I'm here because I want to have some fun. And the sand right here, it looks like a black sand, chocolate sand. Everything in here is just plain and gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous. There was a man. It's not too cold today. A little bit windy, but there was a man. He got a lot of crab, but it wasn't big enough. And then the water that comes from the mountain over there, earlier I show you guys, it go down to the ocean. And this water right here is not salty, but it just hit the ocean. So salty. We went over there to swim, but people come this side to fish. But I mean, you could swim in this side too if you want to. Going back gonna be crazy because a lot upstairs and I have wagon. I'm actually currently cooking boiling water to cook my cup of noodle. Not sure my water is boiling or not. Bought this stuff from Timo. I use the bucket as a table. The bucket is supposed to carry fish and crab. So excuse the dirtiness. The water is almost boiling. So you guys see the sand? This sand, I don't know what kind of sand it is. I'm not an outdoor person, so obviously I wear the wrong shoe. I got my white shoe. Who the hell wear white shoe to the beach? And here is my views. Those are my fishing pool. there, up those hills to the parking lot. Every 30 minutes, you kind of pull back to see if there any. Out with the children and the dog. The tide getting low, so you can go all the way down there. All the way down there to do your pool. You got like the sound of the oceans, the waves, really, really loud. A little bit up close and personal for you guys to see. Over there, so many people swimming over there. I don't know. Oh my camera is not clear enough, but you see people by the water. Lots of people there, lots of cars over there. It's a free parking, and you can hike also. This walk right here, it had some kind shell weed right there, but it is alive, and then you cannot eat this. This is poison, I think. And if you walk through there, like another beach. Right now it's low tide. Early, the water go all the way up where the people stand. But now it's a low tide, so I'm gonna take you guys to see this clam right here. It's not edible, and they are alive. It's a lot of them. I mean, they are edible, but it's not they come to eat them. I think it's in May to October. You can eat them, but of course I don't 100% sure. We have to look at the books. See, it's a lot, and they're alive. Some are getting bigger, and some are still small. So many, and you're not supposed to touch them or anything. This one is big. All over the area. I don't know if you can get them or not. And then there's a little fish on this side that is hitting. It's kind of hitting. People cannot see. You go there, you could hide. And some people walk off there to go hide. They walk across the river, hide, and look down. And it's so nice. They just have to be careful coming off the wall and fall down. The water is very strong. When they come strongly. Like now they're going back, and then when they come back, you know, zoom on all the way up to the wall. Do them up. There you go, coming back. But it's getting low tide, so it's much better now. This water is beautiful. Go like that, the place. And back. Some people come here to surf. Surfing. Ah, my shoe wet. Ah, yeah, my sock wet now. So I just across the two wall. And look at this bigger walk over here and over here. She's looking for something. I don't know what is it. But on this side, same thing. Have lots of clam. When they're dead, it's like this. But you see eat them. Human eat them too. And they will grow every year along the walk. But like I say, you're not allowed to eat them. And don't touch them either. Leave them alone. Ooh, you think there's a gold in here? Like G-O-L-D, gold? I want to find gold. I wish I could find gold. Later on, we're going to go up those hills. Oh my goodness. I don't know if I can do it or not. But this parent, they really keep an eye on their kid, which is really smart. It's so nice in here, so sunny. San Francisco generally is so cold, but here it's so hot. People take off the shoes so they could play water. Is this guy getting something or not? All right, coming. It is 5:20 and this is the sunset. It's so beautiful. The sky is red, gray, white, orange, yellow. Even the sand on the bottom by the water in those areas. Colorful. And so far we threw away 10 because neither they are female or neither they're not big enough. We cannot put those. And how romantic is that? We should be leaving soon, I think. Because we're not going to be able to see to walk up the hill where the stair at to go back to our car. So we just want to capture how beautiful this is for you guys to see. And early those areas, the walk right there, you didn't see that because the tide go up all the way here. Now it's low tide, so it's go all the way down there. That's how you see the rock. Beautiful, beautiful. So over there is J Bridge and I'm in Sunnyfair Bridge, Richmond Bridge. I'm going home now. Thank you for watching.